Hey folks, welcome to 4852 Aidan Court in North Fort Worth. And if you could spend a few moments with me, or a few minutes with me, I'd love to show you this brand new listing in a subdivision called Heritage. And if you're not familiar with the community, well, stick with me through this video, because as we walk through the home and I point out all the nice features and kind of direct you, like here's the office, right behind you there's gonna be your dining room, you got your laundry room right here. I'm gonna show you all those good things, but through the video, I also wanna talk to you about the neighborhood and some of the amenities that you're gonna come to appreciate once you decide to call this place home. All right, so let's talk about Heritage. Heritage is a fantastic neighborhood. It's got miles of walking trails. It has, I believe, 5 different ponds that are stocked with fish from time to time. You've got a community water park and a community center. And when I say water park, it's more than just a pool. It's an actual community water park. You've also got a couple different splash pads in the community, as well as golf courses. Thinking of another home. You don't have golf courses here. I apologize for that. But you're gonna have basketball courts, you've got tennis courts, and not necessarily just the community, but just the proximity to conveniences. You've got HEB down the street, and that's really all you need. You've got Alliance Town Center, you've got Tanger Outlet, which is north by about 10 minutes here. Basically, everything that you're gonna need in the realm of convenience is within about a 10-minute drive of this particular property. So, anyways, that's enough about the neighborhood. Let's get back to the house. All right, folks, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you're curious about this home, the dog does not come with it. But take a look wherever you're watching this video. There's gonna be a link. To that link, there's gonna be potential times for any open houses or any additional media or photos. And if you have any questions about this property, there's also gonna be my contact information. It's your buddy. There's gonna be my contact information in that link as well. So I hope you enjoy, and until next time, have a good day.